Namaste, my name is Pooja Kitta and I'm a yoga teacher. So I wanted to explore more into this fitness industry. So I got a chance to see this IFSI Institute on Instagram, and also by a recommendation of my friend, I joined this course, and the faculty over here is very helping, and they are very good at teaching what they teach. Also they take various kinds of workshop like functional and yoga and also many more. So it is also very helpful if you want to learn more in depth about various forms of fitness, and they also conduct various courses and workshops, so you can find them on any of the social media handles. The experience of learning anatomy, theory, and practicals was very nice, and it was very helpful. And I would like to recommend everyone who is from a fitness industry or not from a fitness industry to join this institute. Thank you.